Good morning. Now I'll move on to the exercise 7.5 partial fractions, which I've given you the introductions in the previous video. CSK using the Chennai Super Kings, CSK 1, CSK 2, CSK 3, CSK 4, CSK 5. So partial fractions, if the denominator is 2 bracket, CSK 2, denominator 3 bracket, CSK 3, denominator denominator 1 whole square, CSK 1, 1 whole square with attachment, CSK 4, inside square na CSK 5, which I have given you earlier. Now first sum, introduction of x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. So first sum I will teach you very slowly, so listen carefully. X upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. If the denominator is having 2 brackets, so 2 brackets with the denominator, I told that you have to use CSK 2. What is the pattern? So px plus q upon x plus a into x plus b. When you CSK 2 now, you have to split the integration into 2 parts. A upon first bracket, b upon the second bracket. A and b are constant. So now I will write. So no need to put the integration symbol now. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to a upon the first bracket, b upon the second bracket. Now take for 23 sums the same concept. Take LCM, cross multiply a into x plus 2 and cross multiply b into x plus 1 and denominator x plus 1 times x plus 2. For all the sums, the denominator will get cancelled. So you have to compare both the old numerator, old sum and the new sum. Okay. So for all, I have done the cross multiplication. For all the sums, the denominator will get cancelled. Now I write x equal to a times x plus 2, b times x plus 1. This is our old numerator, new numerator. From here, there are two methods. You can go on with the two methods. I will teach you both the method for first sum. See carefully. And then you can apply which method you are suitable, you can apply. First method is a shortcut. Method number 1. I need to get the a and b value. So I need to eliminate either b or b. Either a or b. Okay. X badala enna number pota, idu 0 agum. X badala enna number pota, idu full 0 aidum. Minus 2. So I will go with method 1. Okay. Method 2 method 1. So x badala I have to put minus 2. You have to put it on both the side. Minus 2 equal to a times minus 2 plus 2 plus b times minus 2 plus 1. 0. So minus 2 equal to 0 with minus b. B equal to 2. See how I found the shortcut. X you have to eliminate the a. So I have to think which value I have to put for x. Minus 2. And now I need to eliminate b. In place of x minus 1. Both the side. Minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. 0. So minus 1 equal to a. So a value I found. A and b I found. This is the method number 1. You have to eliminate a and b in such a way that you have to think which number I have to put for x so that I can eliminate a. Which number I have to put for x so that I can eliminate b. So you have to think. I found the a and b value. My motto is to find out in all the CSKs a, b, c value. Now I move on to the method number 2. Those who are not comfortable with this shortcut, they can go for the method number 2 to find out the a and b. Now I will write x equal to a times x plus 2, b times x plus 1. Why I am teaching method number 2 now? It will be helpful to find out the c. Suppose in any sum ABC is coming now, you can use the method number 2. Okay. So you listen to the method number 2 also. Now this is your old numerator and the new numerator. So what I am going to do is, so x equal to, I multiply inside ax plus 2a, bx plus 1b. Now x equal to, x common adutha enna varum a plus b and this one remaining constant. 2a plus b x oda coefficient. Suppose x square irunchina x square coefficient, x oda coefficient constant. X cube irunchina x cube coefficient, x square coefficient, x coefficient constant. Like this you have to eliminate. Okay, you have to segregate. Now compare both the side. method number 2 ல compare பண்ணனும் இல்ல equate பண்ணனும். இங்க x உடைய coefficient என்ன? a plus b. And here x உடைய coefficient 1. C. x உடைய coefficient நான் வந்து I can equate பண்ணிட்டேன். இங்க x உடைய coefficient a plus b, இங்க x உடைய coefficient 1. அடுத்தது இங்க constant 2a plus b. இங்க constant என்ன இருக்கா? இல்ல. அதனால 0. Suppose இங்க 5 இருந்துச்சா? equal to 5 போட்டுக்க. Constant remain பண்ணிட்டது. அதான் I call it two equations. One is 2a plus b, other one is a plus b equal to 1. Now class 10th portion, elimination method. Normal, otherwise substitution method. In place of b equal to what I can put? In place of b equal to I can put minus 2a. எங்க எடுத்து போடு? இங்க போடு. So அப்போ 1 equal to a, b க்கு பதிலா minus 2a. So 1 equal to minus a, so a equal to minus 1. Here also a equal to minus 1, here also a equal to minus 1. Now a equal to minus 1 எடுத்து போய் substitute பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? Minus 2 into minus 1 equal to b. So I got 2 equal to b. And here also 2 equal to b, here also 2 equal to b. You have to compare the coefficients for the method number 2. You have to use the shortcut to eliminate in such a way that x, y, x you have to put number. So you have to be very clear. Any doubt? I think I hope so you guys will not have a doubt. Only thing is compare the coefficients of x, compare the coefficient of constant, and using the class 10th portion substitution method, minus 2a, substituting here with both the values. Now you can decide which method is comfortable to you and you can finish it off. I am comfortable with method 1. Method 2 is take time. Method 1 is quite easy. So I am wiping out the method 2. Wiping out the method 2. Okay. So now go and substitute all the values. Where is the value? Without the integration symbol. Okay. Without the integration symbol. Therefore, x upon x plus 1 times x plus 2 equal to a upon CSK2, right? So a upon single bracket. Now substitute the a value. Minus 1 upon x plus 1, b value 2 upon x plus 2. Now therefore this is your new question. What is the new question? Integration. This fraction is converted into this one. Okay, this fraction is converted. Now the new form, minus 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus 2 upon x plus 2 dx. This is a new question. If you want to simplify, I'll get to the word. Okay. So now why, sir? Why we have written? See, easy to integrate now. See, minus I have taken outside. 1 upon x plus 1 dx. 2 I have taken outside. 1 upon x plus 2 dx. If you have seen my video 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, now next step you won't be struggling. If you are not seeing my video 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, it will be tough to you now. Easy. If any fraction denominator differentiate பண்ணும்போது numerator வந்துச்சுனா the answer is minus this minus, okay, log of denominator. ஆமா x plus 2 differentiate பண்ணா 1, which is numerator கரெக்ட்டா இருக்கு. அப்ப நான் ஆன்சர் என்ன எழுதணும்? 2 அங்க இந்த 2 அப்படியே போட்டேன். log of denominator. The final answer log of x plus 1 log of x plus 2 plus c. Now toppers may be asking me, so can we leave the steps as it is? No. Toppers, kindly proceed. M log n, அப்ப இந்த 2 மேல போயிடும். log m power n. இங்க minus log. Again use. Okay, let me use for you. This is till now below average. Average students can stop. Okay. For toppers, you have to move on. Toppers என்ன பண்ணணும்? Log minus, that is logarithm property. Log of x plus 2 power la போயிடும். m log n na log m power n போயிடும். Next, log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b or log of, like this you have to put. Okay, so that's your step, that's your choice. But simplifying further, learn nothing I can. M log n log m power n, then log m minus log n log m by n. So this is one more time I repeat, the next term onwards I'll go. So one thing is, which CSK? Denominator 2 bracket na CSK 2, 3 bracket na CSK 3, 1 whole square na CSK 1, 1 whole square with attached term CSK 4, inside square CSK 5. So now I use CSK 2. So you should not put the integration symbol here. Just eliminate method 1, method 2. Method 1 is I am comfortable with method 1. So method 1 I used substitution, then normal integrations. Second sum. So I'll move on to the same method. Whichever sum is having same method, I will teach the same. CSK2 na, I will finish it off CSK2. CSK3 na, I will finish it off CSK3. Then only easy to you for you also. Now any sum based on CSK2? Yes, second sum is CSK2 only. 1 upon x square minus 9. Second sum is integration 1 upon x square minus 9 dx. Sir, how can this one I can complete in a very easy method? How? Method 1, method 2. Method 1, smart work. That is 1 upon x square minus 3 square dx. I have seen a formula, sir. 1 upon x square minus a square. So go back in your textbook. In your textbook, you can search 1 upon x square minus a square. 1 upon x square minus a square. Yes, there is a formula. 1 upon x square. Page number 307. Bottom first formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. In place of x, in place of a 3. You can finish it off within a second. You can finish it off. But this is a partial fraction chapter, so I am doing by partial fractions. You can go by that method also. Smart work. Kindly do the smart work. 1 upon x square minus 9. So x square minus 3 square. So 8th standard formula x plus 3 into x minus 3 into dx. Denominator 2 brackets. So denominator 2 brackets now I told you here already is a CSK2. So without putting the integral symbol, 1 upon x plus 3 x minus 3 equal to a upon x plus 3 b upon x minus. For this sum also I will do both the methods to find the a and b, because you should guys know both the methods. Okay, method number 1. What's the method number 1? Easy method. Just cross multiply 1 upon x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now just cross multiply a into x minus 3 b into x plus 3 upon x plus 3 times x minus 3. Just put this 2 for all the sums, it will cancel. Now 1 equal to a times x minus 3 b times x plus 3. This is your old numerator, and the new numerator you have to substitute the a b value. Now method 1. What is method 1? I have to eliminate a. So x க்கு பதிலா என்ன நம்பர் போட்டா இது ஃபுல்லா 0 ஆ மாறும். x equal to என்ன போடணும்? 3. போடுங்க. both the side x க்கு பதிலா 3. இங்க x ஏ இல்ல, அப்படியே போடு. 1 equal to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 plus 3. This will become 0. So 1 equal to 6b. b equal to 1 by 6. b equal to 1 by 6. Next step, b eliminate பண்ணனும். அப்ப x க்கு பதிலா என்ன போடணும்? minus 3. So put both the side minus 3. இங்க x ஏ இல்ல. 1 equal to a into minus 3 x க்கு பதிலா minus 3 போட்டேன். plus b into minus 3 plus 3. அப்ப இது மொத்தமா என்னவாச்சு? 0. அப்ப a equal to minus 6 இங்க வந்தா minus 1 upon 6. AB value கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டேன். Same AB value I have to get in the method 2. What is method 2? Method 2 I already told you that you have to write this one. It is 1 equal to a into x minus 3 b into x plus 3. உங்களுக்கு எந்த method easier இருக்கோ you can go with that method. Method 2, just multiply inside. So 1 equal to ax minus 3a bx plus 3b. Now 1 equal to x a common எடுத்தா I get a plus b constant minus 3a plus 3b. Now equate both the side. இங்க x ஓட coefficient a plus b. இங்க x ஏ இல்ல, அப்போ 0. x ஏ இல்ல. Okay, x constant minus 3a plus 3b constant. அப்ப இந்த பக்கம் constant number இருக்கு 1. Now substitution method. A equal to plus b இங்க வந்தா minus b. So wherever a comes put minus b. So அப்ப எதுமே போட்டா 1 equal to minus 3ab plus 3b minus 6b equal to 1. அப்ப b equal to minus 1 upon 6. Here also minus 1 upon 6. Somewhere any mistake? I got 0. A equal to minus b, right? See, it's here. A equal to minus b, right? A equal to minus b. So a equal to minus b, it will become plus 6b. So a equal to 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. Now substitute a b equal to 1 upon 6 here. So a equal to minus 1 upon 6, and here also minus 1 upon 6. So I have thought for the two sums both the method, but I prefer you guys should follow the method number 1. But method number 2 also you should know to compare both the side. Now substitute AB in the sum. So therefore integrations, the sum 1 upon x plus 3 x minus 3 is converted into A upon. So A upon x plus 3 B upon x minus 3 dx. Okay, in place of A I can put minus 1 upon 6 dx. In place of B 1 upon 6 dx. Separate part. Constant minus 1 upon 6 I have taken outside. Plus 1 upon 6 I have taken outside. Denominator differentiate panna numerator vanduchina x plus 3 differentiate panna 1 numerator irukku. Appo answer log of denominator. Appo ingeyum log of denominator. The final answer minus 1 by 6 log of x plus 3 plus 1 by 6 log of x minus 3 plus c. You can use, already I told you, you can alternate method, smart work, x square, like this. There's a formula 1 by 2a log of, that formula also you can use it within a second, you can minute, within a minute you can come to this sum also. So use the smart work. Whenever they're giving like this sum, use this method. Okay, partial fractions, I'm giving you the concept of the partial fraction, how to do this one, CSK2. Okay, for that's one I will, otherwise I'll go with this method only. Any other CSK2 now, I will finish it off CSK2 first. Okay, CSK2, question number 2 I completed. CSK3, many sums are there. Okay, CSK3 I'll move on. Question number 3, 3x minus 1. So question number 3, 3x minus 1. If you are thorough with CSK2 now, CSK3 is nothing, very easy. You can see, you can finish it up. 3x minus 1, 3 brackets, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2. You have to be very careful in finding in the ABC value. A, B, C, D, something. These values, if you are very clear, integration you can finish it up like this. If you are doing a silly mistakes in ABC, then there is no use of using integrations in this exercise. So concentrate and do the calculation part slowly. First check the question, 3x minus 1, correct. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So denominator 3 brackets. Denominator 3 bracket, now which I have to use CSK3. See also CSK3, A by first bracket plus B by second bracket plus C by third bracket. So I finish it off without integration. I repeat, 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So A upon first bracket, B upon second bracket, C upon third bracket, like this. CSK3 should be, this is CSK3. Okay. Therefore, next step, a normal, this should be written again, 3x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, normal LCM. Please be very careful, this you are done in the class 8th itself. Normal LCM, okay, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, all 3 brackets should come in the denominator. Now, 3 bracket mein veno, x minus 1 mattumda available. Appo which 2 brackets are missing? These 2 are missing na, ada A pakathala. A times x minus 2, x minus 3. And 3 brackets I need. Only x minus 2 is available. After which bracket is missing? X minus 1, x minus 3. After B into x minus 1, x minus 3. Plus C into. I need 3 brackets, but only x minus 3 is available. Which 2 are missing? X minus 1, x minus 2. X minus 1, x minus 2. Now for all the sums get cancelled. Now therefore the old numerator and the new numerator. Old numerator 3x minus 1. New numerator A into x minus 2, x minus 3. B x minus 1, x minus 3. C x minus 1, x minus 2. Now your shortcut, 3 portions you have to use the shortcut. What's the shortcut? Method 2, wait, method 1 is easy. I need to eliminate A. In place of x, which number I will put? Either x equal to 2 or either x equal to 3. Your choice. If I put x equal to 2 now, this entire term will become 0 and this entire term will become 0. So I will get the B value. Then if you put x equal to 3 now, A value is 0, B value is 0, I will get the C value. Am I clear? If I put x equal to 1 now, this will become 0 and this will become 0, I will get a B value. This is a shortcut. You want to use this method number 2, it will go a long line like a bubble gum. You have to multiply x in this, you have to expand, then x square term you have to merge, x term you have to merge, constant term you have to merge, then x square term coefficient, here there is no x square 0, then x squared coefficient, then constant, like this it goes on. Whenever you are unable to find out any one value, for example a value, c value I am able to find out, b value I am not able to find out now, then use the method number 2. If you are able to find out all the 3 a, b, c now, please use the shortcut. So first one, I will put x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 1, x equal to 2 in both the side, don't forget both the side. So 3 times 2 into minus 1. X equal to 2 now, this a, this will become 0, and this 2 minus 1, 2 minus 3, c into this will become 0, because 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0. Finally I got the b value. I am moving towards the b value. 6 minus 1, 5 equal to, this is b into 1 into minus 1, so I got b value is negative 5. B value is, I got b value is negative 5. It is a b value, yes, correct. Next, x equal to 3 in both the side. So 3 times 3 minus 1 equal to, if I put x equal to 3, 3 minus 3 0, 0 into anything 0. So a into 0. If I put 3, b into 0. If I put c into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Therefore finally I got 3 into 3, 9 minus 1, 8 equal to 0 plus 0, leave it. 2 into 1, 2c. I got c value 4. I got c value 4. Make correct, I am going in the right path. Yes, x equal to 1 in both the side. So 3 into 1 minus 1 equal to, if I put 1, it won't become 0. So you have to be very careful. A into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, plus b into 1 minus 1 becomes 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So finally I got 3 minus 1 or 2. This will become minus 1. This will become minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2a. I got a equal to 2 by 2, 1. So I got a value as a 1. So you should be very careful in finding the ABC value. If you are done with ABC, the next fraction of minute you can finish it off. So ABC I got. Now go back and substitute in the integrations. So CSK 3. Therefore, finally I got integrations 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equal to a upon first bracket, b upon the second bracket, c upon the third bracket. So in place of a ku badala 1, right? So 1 upon x minus 1. B ku badala minus 5. I have taken outside. B ku badala minus 5 substitute panni veliye edutita. And then C ku badala 4. 4 veliye edutala. Then so x minus 3 dx. Now fraction of minute. Denominator differentiate panna numerator vardana. Answer log of denominator. And this also log of denominator. And this also log of denominator plus C. You guys would ask me, can I simplify? Yes, of course you can simplify, but below average students stop it here itself. Average, if it possible, or toppers kindly try to simplify logarithm property. 5 goes to the top, then log m plus log m minus log n, then 4 again log m. You can use it that method. Okay. So now CSK 3 I have completed. Now we have to find out how many sums are there based on CSK 3 that you have to do. Okay, now note it down. Question number 3 I finish it off. Question number 4 CSK 3. Question number 4 is CSK 3 as I said earlier. Then you can go with question number 10 also CSK 3. Question number 11 also CSK 3. 10, 11 is a CSK 3. Question number 10, 11 is CSK 3. Okay, be very careful in that. And I don't think so remaining sums are CSK 3. It's a very easy sums, remaining sums. That's it. So question number 4, 10, 11. Question number 4, 10, 11. Question number 4, 10 and 11 are CSK 3. I'll give a small introductions, then I can move on to the remaining sums. Question number 4. X upon x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So denominator, how many brackets? 3 brackets. Okay. So question number 4. Integrations. X upon x minus 1, 2, 3. Again, same thing. X minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 dx. Question number 10. Question number 10. 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. X square minus 1 times 2x plus 3 dx. So how you guys are, how you were telling that this is CSK 3, sir? Because inside square, no sir. Inside square CSK 5 dana. No, do the smart work. 2x minus 3 upon a square minus b square, 8th standard portion. A plus b, a minus b. Once you move on to the CSK 2 and 3, now the sum will finish it off in an easy way. But if you are going for CSK 1, 4, 5, now it looks quite a lengthy method. But CSK 2, 3, easy method. See, a plus b into a minus b. Then 1, 2, 3, denominator 3 brackets, CSK 3. Easy method. Question number 11. 5x upon, and numerator also linear polynomial, right? So 5x upon x plus 1 times x square minus 4. Again, x square minus 4. 8th standard portion. 4 can be written as 2 square. So a square minus b square. So I can write as this become 5x upon, so a plus b into a minus b. That is a plus b into a minus b. So denominator 3 brackets, so CSK 3. So in the next video, I'll do any one of the sum. Okay, 4, 10, 11, any one of the sum. Then remaining sum you can finish it off. CSK, any one sum I'll do, no problem. Okay, you can and you will. Next video I'll put question number 4, 10, 11, any one sum I'll do. Then I'll move on to the next CSK.